How to learn and how to earn from web development. How to start a web development. A simple question, right? But despite thousands of videos available on the topic, no one really provides useful information. Why? Because all the information is scattered and often outdated. Web development has changed drastically in 2025. The process from handling clients to creating websites has become both more complex and simpler at the same time. But whatever this will be complex or easy for you depends entirely on how much knowledge you start with. So in this video I will guide you step by step from beginner to advanced on how to start a web development and how to start earning from it. If you follow this series, I promise you no one will be able to stop you from becoming a successful web developer in 2025. How to learn web development. Before I tell you where to learn web development, let's first discuss what you need to learn to become a web developer. There are basically three types of web developers: front end developers, back end developers, and full stack developers. We all know that to become a front end web developer, you need to learn HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. And to become a back end developer, you need to learn languages like Java, Python, and work with databases like SQL and non SQL. But in this video, I am not going to the details of these languages. Let's focus on the most essential part: front end development. The front end is the part of the websites that the user sees. It's everything from design and layout to user experience. Let's break it down. Step 1: Key languages to learn. For front end development, the most important language to learn are HTML. This is the backbone of any web page. Without HTML, your page will not exist. CSS. After HTML, CSS is used to style the pages. It helps the colors, fonts, layouts, and making the website responsive. JavaScript. This language brings interactivity to your website. Without JavaScript, your website will be static and boring. It's used for forms, pop-ups, dynamic elements, etc. Step 2: Trending AI tools for front-end development. With AI tools, you can build websites more effectively and creatively. Some useful tools are GitHub Copilot. This AI-powered tool help you write code by providing suggestions. If you get stuck while coding, it quickly helps you find solutions. Figma, a powerful design tool that integrates AI features, make it easier to design and collaborate with teams. Silex, a no-code tool powered by AI that makes web development a drag and drop process, simplifying the creation of websites. Step 3: Industry level trends. Now let's talk about some trends, industry tools and frameworks that you should be aware of. React.js. This is the most popular JavaScript library. Facebook developed it, and today it's widely used to build fast and interactive user interfaces. Second, Vue.js. Lightweight and beginner friendly. If you want quick results, Vue.js is a great option. Tailwind CSS, a utility first CSS framework that helps save time and effort by allowing you to style your websites in a flexible way. Fourth, WebAssembly. It allows you to run native code in browsers, which improves website performance. Backend web development. Let's now talk about backend web development. Backend development is the part of website that works behind the scenes. It handles things like data management, user authentication, and server management. Step 1: Key languages for backend development. To learn backend development, you need to focus on this programming language, which are in high demand in the industry. Node.js. If you are already familiar with JavaScript, Node.js is a great option. It allows you to write both front end and back end code in the same language. Second, Python. Python is simple and readable. With frameworks like Django and Flask, you can build web apps. Third, Ruby. Ruby on Rails is a powerful framework that helps you develop a web apps faster. PHP. If you need to handle older system or work with WordPress, PHP is still relevant. Step 2: AI tools for backend development. AI is increasingly being used in development. Tools like GitHub Copilot and Tab9 can assist in writing code faster. With these tools, you can simply write comments and the tool will generate the code for you, whether it's loops or conditionals. Version controls. Version controls is also essential in backend development. Git helps manage your code efficiently, and platforms like GitHub or GitLab allows you to host and collaborate on projects. Additional automation tools like Gulp and Webpack make the build process faster and more efficient. Step 3. Frameworks for backend development. Some popular frameworks that are should explore include Express for Node.js, Django for Python, Ruby on Rails for Ruby. These frameworks are designed to make development faster and more efficient, so learning them is crucial. Full stack web development. Now let's discuss full stack web development. Full stack development means mastering both front end and back end development. As a full stack developer, you handle everything from what the user sees front end to what happens on the server side back end. It's a versatile skill set that enables you to build complete web applications. Why is full stack development in high demand? Full stack developers are highly sought after because they understand the entire web development process. If you enjoy challenges and want control over both sides of development, full stack development is the perfect career path for you. Conclusion. So, what are you waiting for? Start learning, build projects, and enter the exciting world of web development. Begin your coding journey today.